Senator
Good morning, Mr. Chairman. And Chairman Lee, we would like to thank you for organizing and conducting this hearing, and Senator Coons. Today, I join with Senator Cardin to be here to support the nomination of Judge Stephanie Gallagher to be nominated to serve on the United States District Court for Maryland. Senator Cardin and I proudly recommended her to President Obama, and he subsequently nominated her in September of 2015. But I'm pleased to be here today to discuss her qualifications and experience, because I think she'll make an outstanding judge on the Maryland District Court. When I look at the recommendations to make to serve in the judicial branch of government, I want to make sure that the nominee has absolute integrity, judicial competence, judicial temperament, and a commitment to core constitutional principles, and also a history of civic engagement in Maryland. The latter might strike you as an unusual category, but I know Senator Cardin shares this view, believes that often it is the pro bono work of a nominee that helps them understand the life and times of the people for which we are asking them to render impartial justice. So today, Judge Stephanie Gallagher meets that criteria. She is indeed an impressive nominee. After graduating from Harvard, she clerked for Judge Frederick Motz, one of our esteemed judges on the District Court of Maryland. She later joined the Assistant U.S. Attorney's Office in Maryland, where she prosecuted everything from homicide to terrorism supporters to drug traffickers. And also, she had experience in private practice, both at Aiken Gump and also with her own law firm. For the last 5 years, Judge Gallagher, as we refer to her, has served as Magistrate Judge in the Baltimore Federal District Court. It is there where she has demonstrated judicial temperament, not only a knowledge of the law, and not only the knowledge of federal judicial procedures, but also she receives rave reviews from all who work with her, from prosecutors to the other judges to people who need to be able to move our process forward in a fair, impartial, but expeditious way. And she's known by all as someone who has the people skill as well as the legal knowledge to be able to do that. She's indeed a public servant, involved in her own children's school associations. She has been active at the Cathedral Mary Our Queen in not only supporting school programs, but in the food banks that they run. She has also been a volunteer for a very unusual group called Volunteers with Icing Smiles. This is a nonprofit organization that works with hospice care for children. Now, that's somebody who knows the law, spends her workaday enforcing the law, ensuring justice, and at the same time focuses on those awful situations of a child faced with terminal illness. She's been active in the Maryland legal community, a volunteer with Legal Services, the Bar Association, the National Association of Women Judges. She's also provided other pro bono work, including representing people on death row. I think she's an outstanding nominee we present to you. We think she'll be an outstanding judge because she brings integrity, competence, and temperament, and a sense of understanding the people. I also want to associate my remarks with Senator Coons on the sense of urgency. We have a backlog because we delayed the replacement for Judge Chazanow. Now this is the replacement for Judge Quarles. Our judges give us lots of notice. Senator Cardin and I have an independent process. We don't play politics. I don't even know what is the political party of my nominee. We don't ask, and it doesn't matter. We look for the qualifications and the temperament. So we have a real sense of urgency because we have a backlog in a district court that is in the Baltimore-Washington corridor with enormous issues that have to be addressed. So I really would hope that the committee would give her your due consideration and due process of moving it forward in an expeditious way.